What's up guys, and welcome back to this Mercedes Mobility minibus motorhome conversion. So today's video I'm going to be fitting a couple of TVs in the conversion. As you can see, I'm currently sorting out all the electrics, so now it's going to be the perfect time to get all the cabling ran for the TVs. Now most conversions you probably only have one TV, but because I've got a full separated off bedroom at the back, I've bought two 12 volt TVs. Well, the Samsung's a 14 volt TV, but it should run off the 12 volt fine. The Cello is a proper 12 volt TV, and I'll put links in the description for both of these TVs if you want something similar yourself. So the Samsung, it's a 22 inch, so that's going to be going in the bedroom area, and that's going to be getting mounted onto a bracket, probably on the side wall, so it can flip out and stow away, just because that's some solid mounting area, whereas that plyboard there, the main mounting areas are already taken up for the cupboard. And then behind that ply panel is a window, so I don't want to be drilling all the way through that and then potentially just cracking through into the window. So the one in the bedroom is going to be getting mounted to the side here. The one in the living area is going to be getting mounted pretty much the opposite wall, and that should be viewable from the sofa bed and from the passenger swivel seat as well. Again, that'll probably get mounted onto a swivel bracket as well, just to be able to pull it out that little bit more as well. Now, because the 12 volt TVs, I could, in theory, just use them off the 240 volt plugs. I've got inverters, I've got a Victron inverter there, and I've also got hookup, as you can see. So there wouldn't be any problem running them off the 240 volt plugs, but it just seems a bit of a waste to go from 12 volt up to 240 volt, then back down to 12 volt to power the TV. So instead, I'm just basically going to be snipping off the power adapter cables for each TV from the power cube itself, so it's just leaving the adapter that plugs into the TV. Inside there'll be two wires, one of them's going to be a positive, one of them's going to be a negative. They're both going to be ran back to my 12 volt fuse panel in there as well, so they'll both be fully fused up, just in case anything happened, just to stop any power spikes going through and ruining them. And then once they're in place, wired up, they'll be permanently wired to the 12 volt system, so it wouldn't matter whether you're on 12 volt or whether you're on a hookup at site, whether the inverter's on or not, they would still just be able to run straight off the 12 volt battery bank. So, as I say, there'll be descriptions in the there'll be links in the description for the TVs. In the meantime, I'm going to crack on, get some safety gear out, on, get the brackets mounted, get the wiring in place, and we'll get the TVs mounted on and see what they look like when they're all finished. So, to be sure that the TV can swing around on the wall as required, just to give that little bit of a better viewing angle, maybe if you sat in the front passenger swivel, you just want to be sure that you can get a good angle of the TV. I've got a Blaupunkt TV bracket here. I'm just about to get this secured onto the back of the TV, then we'll get this secured up onto the wall itself as well. Then we'll get them all connected up and see what it all looks like when it's all in place, but hopefully it should all be relatively straightforward to put in. I've just taken the main panel off there because I'm changing the location of a few of the meters, just so the TV will sit in front of them all nicely as well. So we'll get this cracked on and we'll get the TV mounted. Right, so that is the Cello 12 volt TV, fully mounted on the arm that swings all the way out as well, as needed. So it can give different viewing angles throughout the van, and if needed it can even swivel around to face inside the bedroom, although there's going to be a different TV fitted inside the bedroom anyway. So just flip it back, turn it on. Now there's no TV aerial connected to this. I'm not going to fit a TV aerial to this or the other TV because I don't watch live TV at home, so I don't see the point in fitting one inside the van just to get the same channels that I wouldn't watch at home anyway. So the TVs are there for the use of USB sticks with TV shows or films on, or for streaming sticks like your Amazon Fire Sticks, things like that. Both of them have USB inputs, so just be able to plug one of those in, or even an external hard drive. Then you can take away exactly what you want to watch rather than having to rely on terrestrial TV that, in my opinion, is pretty much rubbish these days. So there's one TV in, the Cello TV. I'm now going to crack on and get the bedroom TV in, and that's going to be a Samsung Smart TV. Might be a bit of overkill fitting two TVs in such a small conversion, but I've got them handy, so I figured why not get them fitted in. So we'll turn this one off and get the Samsung one fitted in. Right guys, there we go. So that's the second TV mounted. This is the Samsung Smart TV as well. And again, it's on another flip arm that'll just swing the TV right out wherever you want to watch it. As you can see, it just flips straight into the corner and then back against the wall, and it lines up nicely with the light dimmer as well. So if we turn the power on, I should get a menu screen. There we go. Now I haven't fitted any TV aerials onto these TVs. That's mainly because I don't even watch live TV at home, so I see it as being pointless putting it in a van as well. The TVs are generally just going to be there for taking away entertainment on a USB stick, Amazon stick, things like that. Or you can also even get like the Raspberry Pis, plug those in, and you can still get Freeview through those through digital means as well. So that's the Samsung TV, and I say on the back of this it does actually say it's supposed to be a 15 volt system, but it's wired straight into the 12 volt power supply, no stepping up or down required, and as you can see it's working perfectly fine as well. So the Samsung's one's working fine, and the Cello one was working earlier on as well. Alright, so there we go. As you can see, there's both TVs on at the same time. Got the 24-inch Cello TV for the main living area that will face out towards the sofa bed and the front passenger seat that's on the swivel chair. And we've got the 22-inch Samsung Smart TV for the bedroom area. Both mounted on fully adjustable swivel arms as well. As I say, I'll put links in the description to the TVs, to the mounting arms, for all the cabling that I've used within the installs as well. As I say, hopefully you found the installs useful. If you made it all the way through to the end of the video, you might as well give the video a good old thumbs up. It'd be almost rude not to, wouldn't it? And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. There's loads of videos on my channel already, and there's going to be plenty more to come as well, along with similar sort of videos like this, all the way through from conversions from start to finish. So have a look through my channel, give the video a good old thumbs up, check the description for links for the TVs, for the mounting arms, for all the cabling, things like that. And hopefully I'll see you on the next video of the series. Thanks for watching. Cheers.